Hello everyone and welcome back to Magic English Channel, where learning English is fun, easy, and exciting. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hello, Anna. How are you today?
Hi David. I'm doing great, thank you.
We are very happy to have you with us today.
How are you feeling today? We hope you are doing great.
Today, we have a very interesting and useful topic for you.
But first, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. It really helps us a lot. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's start.
Today we are going to talk about going to a restaurant and speaking English. Many English learners feel nervous when they go to a restaurant.
They think, what should I say? Will I make a mistake? Will people understand me?
Don't worry. After listening to this podcast, you will feel more confident.
Speaking English in a restaurant is easier than you think.
Now, imagine this situation. You are standing in front of a restaurant. You open the door and walk inside.
You see a waiter or a hostess. They are smiling at you.
What do you say?
You can say, hello, hi, good evening.
Simple and easy.
Then you need a table.
You can say, a table for one, please. A table for two, please. A table for three, please. Just say a table for and the number of people.
Very easy. The waiter will say, this way, please. Or, follow me, please.
You follow the waiter and sit down. Now you are sitting at your table.
But first, you need the menu. The waiter may give you the menu.
If not, you can ask, can I have the menu, please?
Always remember to say, please. It makes you sound polite and friendly.
You open the menu. You see many words and pictures.
You see starters, main courses, desserts, drinks.
Let's learn these words. Starters are small dishes before the main meal. For example, soup, salad, bread.
Main courses are the main food. For example, chicken, fish, rice, pasta, burgers.
Desserts are sweet food at the end. For example, cake, ice cream, fruit.
Drinks are water, juice, tea, coffee, soda.
After some time, the waiter comes back. They ask, are you ready to order?
If you are ready, say, yes, I am. Yes, please.
If you need more time, say, just a minute, please.
When you are ready, you order. You should not say, I want too much. It is okay, but I would like is more polite.
You can say, I would like the chicken, please. I would like the soup, please.
Another way is, I'll have the hamburger, please. I'll have pasta, please.
Both ways are correct.
Don't forget your drink. The waiter may ask, what would you like to drink?
You can say, I'd like water, please. I'll have orange juice, please. Can I have a soda, please?
Very simple. The waiter may repeat your order.
For example, 1 chicken, 1 soup, and 1 soda. Is that correct?
You say, yes, that's right, thank you.
After some minutes, your food arrives. The waiter says, enjoy your meal.
You say, thank you.
Now you eat your food. It tastes good.
During the meal, the waiter may come back and ask, is everything okay?
If it is good, say, yes, it's delicious. Everything is great. Thank you.
If you need something, say, excuse me. Then, can I have some more water, please? Can I have more bread, please?
Excuse me is very useful.
After finishing your main food, you may want dessert. The waiter asks, would you like to see the dessert menu?
You say, yes, please.
You look at the menu. You choose cake or ice cream.
Then you say, I'd like the chocolate cake, please. I'll have ice cream, please.
Dessert makes the meal perfect.
Now you are full and happy. It's time to pay.
You say, "Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?" Or, "Excuse me, the check, please." Both are correct.
The waiter brings the bill. You look at it. You can pay with cash or card.
If you are not sure, ask, "Do you take credit cards?" When you give money or card, say, "Here you are." After paying, say, "Thank you."
Now you are ready to leave. Stand up, smile.
Say, "Thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day." This is a good ending.
It shows you are polite.
Let's practice together. Hello. Welcome.
Hello. A table for two, please.
This way, please.
Thank you.
Here is the menu.
Thank you. Can I have some water, please?
Of course. Are you ready to order?
Yes. I would like tomato soup, please.
And for your main course?
I'll have chicken and rice, please.
Anything to drink?
I'll have orange juice, please.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious.
Would you like dessert?
Yes, I'd like chocolate cake, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Excuse me. Can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Here is my card.
Thank you very much.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great day.
Going to a restaurant in English is not difficult.
Just remember, be polite.
Say please and thank you. Smile.
Don't be afraid. Practice makes perfect.
You can practice at home with your family or friends. One person is the waiter. One person is the customer.
Try it many times. You will get better.
Before we finish, tell us in the comments, what is your favorite food at a restaurant? Pizza, pasta, burger, fried rice? We want to know.
Thank you for listening to Magic English Channel. Keep learning. Keep practicing. Keep smiling. See you next time.
Goodbye.